we are now working towards factories of the future. We wanted to replace the manual methods of inspection. The drone can do the inspection in about 10 minutes, which would otherwise take 3 to 4 hours. It can really go into very difficult, complicated areas where it's almost impossible to reach. The drone comes with its own number of sensors. The LiDAR, for example, comes with its SLAM-based navigation system, which means that it can be really stable inside the manufacturing plant. The thermal imaging really helps us in finding any hotspots that are building. It comes with cameras which are really high resolution. We can go really deep into the details of every bit of the equipment there to check. Once we prove out the concept, we'll then scale it up to other JLR facilities like Halewood, Solihull. We are investing a lot in the new digital technologies. So what we're trying to do is produce the best possible products, having the best quality through these sort of initiatives.